Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Shotzi and I are going to be showing you our custom welcome signs that we have available for rent in Colorado. So if you're getting married in Colorado, make sure to hit me up. I have custom signs, tons of decor, centerpieces, centerpiece packages even. And then I also have venue styling coordination available. But no matter where you are getting married and planning your wedding, a huge congratulations to you. I hope that this video and all of my videos help with your RUSTIC wedding decor. So I'm going to be starting out with the original baby in my collection. This is actually the sign that I used for my own wedding. I think that the gold ornate looks awesome for many themes, whether you're doing rustic, modern, vintage. It can really play up to many different themes and decor ideas. So this can be personalized however you want. The gold, I actually haven't done any other color vinyl besides the gold on this, just because it does match so well that we can use any color, any fonts, and we can include any information that you want on there as well. And then I also have a oval. We did a white vinyl, which in the sun it looked almost like the mirror was etched. So I thought that that was a really, really cool look. I also have this mirrored sign, which is a perfect size for on the side of your bar or near the bar. I always like pinning it around the bar because it has your series of events, the times, so people know what's coming when, your hashtags, so they can add it to their photos. I've seen lots of people take pictures like in the signs like this and then share it on their hashtag. So this is always a fun one. And people have used this for just their welcome sign instead of going along with one of these two. But I actually like kind of mixing and matching some, like this was for the same wedding. Now this sign is used for quite a lot of weddings. It can also be customized however you want. This has a similar font to this, but just with different tails. But pretty much all of these signs are going to be made with the vinyl. They can all be peeled off. We can add flowers to the sides. We can make it vertical if you want. I mean, the possibilities really are endless. And it's a pretty good size sign too. This is one of my favorite new signs. Only been used once at a wedding that it was actually just like a rental pickup. So I didn't get to see the sign at the venue or anything like that. So I'm super excited to hopefully have some weddings that are going to be incorporating this sign. So we have that, which of course any of this can be customized however you want on it, any fonts, any colors. And then these are actually the seating chart signs that match those. So you see it all together. It's really impressive, nice big setup. Now these were used on the table, on the welcome table, leaning just like this. And then each of those holds about 100 names. Now on to our newest collection, our acrylic signs, which these are also our most popular right now. They are a little bit smaller, which of course we can do these in any sizes. So if you want the acrylic sign to be just as big as our other signs, we can certainly do so. These are a perfect size for on top of a wine barrel, the entrance to your ceremony space, on the floor. I mean, there's all sorts of things that you can do with this size sign. And of course, these can be customized just like our other ones. The vinyl on the front can include the flowers or not. It can be vertical, horizontal. It will include any information that you want it to. So most of the time when we are going through the design process, the couple will send me inspiration if they don't know exactly which signage set that they like best. Most of the time they'll send me kind of like their favorites, and then also the information that they want to include, their colors or a mood board if they have one, and then I come up with the design, send them a few options that have different fonts, color sets, stuff like that. Now this one was for a New Year's Eve engagement, so it is a little bit different, definitely more of a modern sign. The back, I call this a frosted vinyl, but it's actually painted, so we can do whatever colors you want as well. It's just an option as far as the paint on the back of the sign. Then we're getting into a little bit more detail. This is another acrylic sign that we just used in November for an event. It's got the layered 3 different colors. So the stylist sent me their mood board and I sent them back a few different designs to choose from, and this is what they went with the super romantic font. The white vinyl really just pops. And this is the maroon one that we did with the white vinyl as well, and then we included the location. And besides the welcome signs, I have all sorts of other decor and designs available. And then I am always picking up new items and designing new things. Like this is one I just did yesterday. So the top is painted and then the bottom part is vinyl. So these words can be removed and the blocks can be reused, which we are really trying to be sustainable. And that's actually why I am offering all of the rental signs. Okay, I just wanted to jump on my website really quick to show you that we have it all in here on my customdesigns.com. On the decor page, we have it all sectioned out as well, so you can see our different decor packages that we have available at the bottom. These are all going to be from actual events that we've done, so we've even have some other acrylic signs that I didn't show you guys today, but that is the same size. So you can get an idea of how big it looks on the wine barrels. And then of course these are like a little bit larger. And then our bar sign, which is just good to add on a table with other decor and whatnot. But here you can get an idea. That's how it looked with the white vinyl. So it definitely looks like it's etched, and then with the background, and oh, it was perfect for this wedding at Spruce Mountain Ranch. And then another wood sign just with different fonts. So yeah, we have tons of options, availability, and then we also have all of the seating charts to match with the signs. So one that I don't have is the massive bold one in here, and then I need to add some of my newer table numbers as well. So I might just have to do a video over the decor packages, how these signs look together, like if you were to go with the wood sign, how it would look together with all of the rest of the decor, kind of like this decor packages. And this is actually recently featured in Rustic Wedding Chic. All sorts of fun goodies on our website. Make sure to check that out. All of our signs are going to come with an appropriate size easel. Our smaller ones come with a smaller easel like you saw on the acrylics, and the bigger ones come with the bigger ones. Now, one thing we're also working on is new sign holders, so you'll be seeing some of those in the next few months. If you need help with venue styling, which would be us coming to set up all of your decor, or coordination, which also includes our venue styling, then you would get an entire signage set from our collection, centerpieces, decor for your ceremony, your welcome table, gifts and cards, DIY bars, I mean pretty much the whole shebang. Most of my clients that hire me for that literally just bring their own guest book, and then I set up the rest. If you are having a wedding here, no matter what style it is, I'd love to hear about it. And if I can help you guys with anything, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below what your favorite sign was, and let me know what questions you guys have. Of course, hit subscribe if you guys like this and want to see more videos Shotzi and I are putting together for you guys. Bye.